Hey there, friends. Today we're playing a super fun game called Name That Animal by Sound. Here's how it works. I'll play an animal sound and you have to guess which animal is making it. You'll have 5 seconds to shout out your answer. Think fast because some of these might be tricky. Are you ready? Let's do this. Alright, here's your first mystery sound. Listen closely. Did you guess it? It's a dog. Woof woof. Here comes the next animal. Get ready. It's a cat. Such a sneaky little friend. Time for another animal sound. Listen closely. It's a goat. Great job if you got that one. Let's see if you can guess this loud animal. It's an elephant, so big and so smart. Listen closely to this next sound. It's a goose, honk honk. Here's another mystery sound. Can you guess it? It's a raven, so clever. This one is loud and flashy. Listen up. It's a peacock. What a show-off. Here comes a very funny sound. It's a donkey. Hee-haw. Listen closely to this early morning sound. It's a rooster. Time to wake up. Let's hear a big roar. It's a lion. What a powerful sound. Here's a howling sound for you to guess. It's a wolf, a true pack leader. Listen closely to this growl. It's a tiger. What a powerful roar. Here's another mystery sound. Can you guess it? It's a crow, so clever and loud. Can you guess this amphibian? It's a frog, jumping on to the next round. Time for a funny sound. Listen up. It's a turkey. What a silly sound. This next sound comes from the ocean. It's a whale. What a beautiful song. This one might remind you of the beach. It's a seagull. Watch out for your snacks.
Listen closely. Did you guess it? It's a horse, galloping into the next round. Here comes the next animal. Get ready. It's a fox, quick and clever. Time for another animal sound. Listen closely. It's a llama. Just don't get too close. Let's see if you can guess this bird's call. It's a crane. What a graceful bird. Listen closely to this warning sound. It's a rattlesnake. Stay back from that rattle. Time for a farm animal. Can you guess this one? It's a pig, so cute and messy. Here comes another bird. Listen carefully. It's a pigeon, always flying around town. This one is a jungle favorite. Listen up. It's a monkey, always full of energy. This next bird is known for its talking skills. It's a parrot. What a chatty bird. Listen closely. It's a cow.
That was so much fun. How many animal sounds did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments below. If you had a blast playing Name That Animal by Sound, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun games and learning videos. And turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for playing with me today. You're all amazing. See you next time.